Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation on the file operations and character analysis applications. This is Java-based command line tool designed for a basic file management and character analysis, interacting with users through graphical dialog boxes. The core functionality and objectives, which the application's core purpose is efficient file handling. It allows users to create files, check for the existence, write a specific string multiple times to a designated text file, and perform a character analysis by count the number of occurrences of a given character within each line of the file. The key objectives included enabling users to choose a safe location, define string repetition, and display character counts in a user-friendly manner, all while implementing robust error handling for common exceptions. So let's briefly look at the program structure using the mind map. The application is divided into 5 main parts. The first part is the file creation. The second part is the write to file. The third part is the count characters. The fourth part is the use input via JOption 10. And the fifth or the final part is the result dialogs. So let's look at each of the parts. The first part, file creation. This involves prompting for a file name, choosing a save location, which is the desktop or my documents, and creating the file if it doesn't exist. The second part is the write to file, which here the user inputs a string and specifies how many times it should be returned to the file. The third part again, the count characters, which the program then asks for a character, reads the file line by line and counts its occurrences. The fourth part is the user input via JOption 10, which all users' interactions are facilitated through JOption 10 dialogs. And the fifth, the final part is the result dialogs, which finally results like character counts are displayed through pop-up dialogs. Here's the explanation of setting up of NetBeans app. First of all is the project creation, which you will start by creating a new Java application project in NetBeans. So let's assume project name is assignment number 2. Then is the class creation, which inside this project you would create a new class. So let's just give the class name also assignment number 2. Then the actual part of the coding. So for our case, I have already prepared a coding in the Word document. So we'll just go straight to the Word document. Then copy the code that I have in the Word document. Then let's go to the copy the code that I have in the Word document. Then let's go to the NetBeans. Paste the code in the NetBeans. After pasting the code, let's run through or just skim through the coding to see if there is no error with our code. So it seems that there is no error. So now we can go straight to debug and run the code. So let's see. When debugging a file, it just takes 5 to 6 seconds to debug and run a file. So here comes is our application's output, which it's asking us to choose the location where do we want to save the file. So I suggest desktop, so I'll go for desktop. Choose desktop. So then it asks for the file name, which I will just give IT020C semester 2 2025. Then the message update file created, which it's already been saved in the desktop as we already selected desktop. Then we go to the next input, which about inputting the string to write, which I will API data returned to file successfully. Okay. Then gather inputs about anti-single character to search for. So I'll give small letter E. So here comes is the message with the result of what we have inserted it, which it prints the 10 it printed 10 lines with the number of times the character occurrences. So this is the output of what we have just inserted. So to confirm this, let's go back to our the desktop to see if this file is already created here. So yeah, IT205 is already here, and it's the string that we have entered thankyou.1 is already printed here. So file handling is a foundational skill in almost any software